In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Instagram password. A lot of people stay logged into Instagram on their phone or computer for months, and then when they need to log in somewhere else, they suddenly realize they don't actually remember the password. The good news is, if you've ever allowed your device or browser to save your login details, you can usually recover that password directly from your built-in password manager. And if it's not saved anywhere, I'll also show you the safest way to reset it and create a new one. Let's start with the idea of a password manager. On most Android phones, this will be Google Password Manager. On iPhones and other Apple devices, it's usually iCloud Keychain. Many modern web browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari also have their own Save Passwords section. When you first logged into Instagram, you may have seen a prompt asking if you'd like to save the password. If you tapped Save, that's where it will be stored. On an Android device that uses Google services, open your phone's settings and look for Passwords or Google, then Password Manager. Once you're in there, you'll see a searchable list of websites and apps. Type Instagram into the search bar. If Instagram was saved, you'll see an entry for it. Tap on it, confirm your identity if your phone asks for your fingerprint, face, or PIN, and you'll be able to view the password in plain text. Take a moment to double check that this is the account you actually use, especially if you have more than one. On an iPhone, go into your device settings and scroll until you find passwords. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After that, you'll see a list of saved accounts. Use the search bar at the top and type Instagram. Tap the matching entry to reveal the username and password. Again, your phone may ask you to confirm your identity before showing the password. You can then use that password to log in on another device, update your records, or change it later inside Instagram if you want something more secure. If you can't find Instagram in your password manager at all, that usually means the password wasn't saved. In that case, the safest option is not to guess repeatedly, but to reset it. Open your browser and go to the official Instagram website, then find the Forgot Password or Trouble Logging In link. Follow the instructions there to send a login link or code to your registered email address or phone number and create a brand new password. Once you've done that, allow your device to save the new password so you don't run into the same problem next time.